guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it is gonna be a little bit different, which is nothing but a food review kind of video. It's been very long. It's been almost 2-3 years since I have done a food review, and especially I like to review the noodle part because noodles are my thing. So I haven't been doing that for quite a while now, so I'm here with the first one, officially the first food review, so which is nothing but, you guys would have known from the title what I'm gonna review, right? So it's nothing but this one. This is the Samyang Buldak hot chicken flavored ramen, and I'm just gonna cook this in front of you and I'm gonna let you know how this tastes. So yeah, if you like to watch, please keep on watching, and if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And before exiting this video, if you really like this kind of video, please make sure you hit that like button so that I'll know guys enjoy this video, so that I can make more similar content for you guys. And also do follow me on my social media platforms, which will be linked down below in the description box for your ease to follow. So let's straight away get into the video. Ooh, the lighting may be a little bit off. That's because I don't have my ring light right now, and as you can see, I have no makeup and stuff. I just woke up, washed my face, put some moisturizer, sat to film this video just because I'm very hungry, and I bought this on the month of March and I resisted eating this just to film this video. So Samyang is a Korean brand, it's a Korean ramen brand, and similarly we have Nongshim as well. Samyang is one of the famous Korean ramyun or noodle brand. So this one is a popular thing. I have seen this all over internet, especially the mukbang people used to have this, the very spicy version, but some people couldn't take the spice this gives. So let's try. Our Indian taste buds are made for spices, so I don't think this is gonna affect me, but yeah, let's see. So this is nothing but a hot chicken flavored ramen. Unfortunately, if you're a vegetarian, sorry, you can't have this. This is imported from Korea. This, I think I bought it from Amazon, and it looks like it is imported by Ruchi International, which is written over here, and this retails for rupees 125 a single pack. I think this is too costly. 125 for this one single pack. You will have one single noodle only. Behind you have the normal wala nutritional information, facts and stuff, and let's see the cooking directions. So the cooking direction says that we have to put the noodle into boiling water and simmer for 5 minutes, and then retain 8 spoons of water, throw away the rest of the water, add the flakes, stir well and serve. Oh, so I don't think this is a soupy noodle. I really love soupy noodles because that is really satisfying. So yeah, so let's start making this. apologize if I look sweaty. That's because it's too hot over here and I have my fan and AC off right now, just to avoid noises. So yeah, this noodle had come with 2 packets inside. One was a sauce and other was the flakes. So the sauce, I think it is made up of soy sauce and sesame oil with that gochujang paste and stuff. So that is why the color is all red. And when it comes to the flakes, I think it was seaweed, or it says laver behind the packet. It looks like seaweed to me. It is looking like a seaweed and roasted sesame seed ka flakes. It was very little, so I don't think so it is going to make a very big difference in the taste. So the amount I made it into 2. One is for my mom and one for me, because this is our breakfast today. Without delaying, let's do the taste test. Since it's chicken ramen, I added a little bit of shredded fried chicken which I had. So yeah, let's have a look at this.
That you do.
It's actually spicy, guys. I actually underestimated this. It is very spicy for me. I'm a South Indian. I eat a lot of spicy foods. As you can see, I'm sweating again. That's because of the spiciness in this. My lips are all numb right now. As you guys can see, the noodles look a little bit thicker. These noodles are different from Maggie's texture, if you know our Indian Maggie. It's nothing like that. It has a little bit of chewy. This is a bit chewy and a bit slimy, I should say. So that is the consistency of the noodle. But the taste is amazing. It's nothing like any of our, noodles which we have in India, and the taste is a little bit different. And I'm sure many Indians will really like this. And if you're someone who is a die-hard fan of chicken noodles, I'm highly recommending you guys to add a little bit of shredded chicken in this. It is going to enhance its taste. Since I added chicken, I skipped on the egg part. Otherwise, the ramyun should be had with a egg omelette. I already have my protein, that is the chicken. I don't want to overdose myself in the morning with the egg as well. So this is the right quantity for me. Generally, the Korean noodles or Korean ramyuns are larger in size when compared to what we get in Maggi and stuff. So one packet, according to me, if you are having a large appetite, I think you can have the whole one in one meal. And for me, I have a very small appetite when it comes to noodles and stuff. I don't eat a lot, so I am dividing it with my mom. Addicted to the taste right now. So if you don't eat spicy food at all, I would highly recommend you to stay away from this, because I have a lot of spicy foods. A lot means a lot, guys. So this is a little bit too spicy for me. Like, it has no flavor and it's full of chili. It's not like that at all. It has a good amount of flavor. The flavor of the sesame oil, of soy sauce and stuff. It's very nice actually to taste. Keep eating now. I feel like you will get used to the spiciness and taste. I'm not sure what is going to happen by evening to me. So I'm just going to have this, and after this I'm just going to have a good amount of water. Just to prevent anything from happening immediately. It does not give any kind of that artificial preservative taste. Glad, because see, most of the imported stuff you get in India and you use it, it has a strong preservative smell. and I really thought this is gonna smell like that, but that's not the case with this. It tastes really fresh to me and spicy. Or something spiciness, I would say. If you're someone who can endure chili, that spicy things, I think you can try this. Else I would say skip it because it might burn a tongue, because right now my lips, I'm feeling numb. If you have liked this video, make sure you hit that like button, guys. It's gonna help me a lot. And also, if you haven't subscribed till now, why wait, guys? Hit that red subscribe button. If you want me to try any other ramyun or food, any kind of food, let me. Make sure you comment down below in the comment section. I'll pick it up and do it in the next video. So see you in my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.